My role as the Open Innovation Manager is looking at anything new to Macphie, whether that be raw materials, products or packaging, and delivery systems that could be used for Macphie products. So anything new and unique that we're not currently doing. When a product has been given the go-ahead to go into main production, the stakeholders meet so that they can ensure that everything is put in place to be able to progress the product through the systems and then the processing, packing and then eventually dispatch. When a product goes into full production, it's very unlikely that it would be able to be rejected. From the initiation of the project, looking at the project brief and the scrutiny that the project brief goes through, making sure that it meets all the hurdles, the volume, the capabilities, the cost, it's highly unlikely that whenever it gets through production, it then gets rejected. So the development cycle and the development process ensures that it's processable, make sure that it's going to hit design criteria, the blueprint that's been set out by the customer or by our internal customers such as marketing, so that whenever we go through our pilot to main plants, we're going to be successful. Production planning, operations, quality assurance, quality control, finance. And the reason we have all of those together is to ensure that all areas of the business are together to make the product ready to go to production. So every area of the business is pretty much involved and we have contact points throughout the business. At the meeting, whenever everything is agreed, the handover document is put to product design. Within the ERP system, it has everything from the raw materials through to the guidelines on how the product is put together and all the financial background as well. Once the product is put onto the ERP system, the labels have been generated, the packaging has been agreed, defined and set up. Process design team then request a factory trial. The factory trial goes to production planning, is scheduled, and process design then go to the factory trial and they make sure that the product is processed and manufactured to the design specification. When the product is put down to the mill store, testing is completed on the product. Whether that's a bakery product in the form of a paste or a powder, it is bake tested and all the product standards are taken. They may be the actual physical taste structure, the sensory evaluation part, or it could be product standards in the form of the fat content, salt content, carbon dioxide content. This can take up to 24 hours and then released positively into market. The best bit about my job is that I don't just do my job. It involves so much more and you have contact points right across the business. So every day, and it's an old cliche, every day is a different day because you're always finding something different.